Alright guys, welcome back. We've got a nice homemade chili which I frozen and defrosted. We're using these little gas burners. This was nice and cheap from Amazon. I think this was about £10 kind of price, and then little butane gas canister, and this was £2.99. I think it was £2.99 from, I think it was QD, one of the QD garden centres. I don't know why, but I always struggle to get these things on. There we go. Now the good thing about these burners compared to the other ones, it comes with an ignition switch, which I've seen some of the more expensive ones, they don't come with an ignition switch. I always find that a bit funny. So we've got some flatbreads, some grated cheese, quite a bit of chili. So let's get to it. I'm just going to move this. Down a bit. And I got these as well. These were a bargain. It's like £3.29 on Amazon. I searched for them and they went to the lowest price, and there was one that was just ridiculously cheap. So I got two of them. So drain it like that, after doing pasta or for simmering, like that. So we've got the chili, as much as that we can in there. Don't want to waste any of this. Again, nice and cheap off Amazon. There's a knife to it as well. I didn't bring that, didn't need it. Nice grated cheese. This will take, less than a couple of minutes to do. This is going to be okay. This is going to be good. This is what we call a nice, easy camp meal. No messing around. The other night I did do a lovely steak on there, but it just takes a bit more effort, This is going to warm me up. Nice bit of chili always helps. You could always bring down, one of those cooked rices that you can put in a packet and microwave for 2 minutes. Add half packet of this to that. Bring a couple of wraps. Nice little burrito. Cheese now is starting to melt. What's your go-to, cheap camp food that you do? Let me know in the comments. And if you've got anything you want me to try next, let me know as well. There we are. Let's see, the cheese now is starting to melt. and burnt myself. There we are. There we are. Guys, I can tell you, that smells absolutely gorgeous. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get into this grub, shall we? There, guys. That's good. I'm looking forward to camping in the autumn. Not really done it before. Right, I think I need to invest in a better sleeping bag, I think. I don't want to be getting cold. Yep. I don't want to be one of these people that are going out buying all the great stuff. I want to try doing it on the budget. Camping should be accessible to everyone, you know. I watch a YouTuber, which I'm sure you guys do if you're watching this, Steve Wallace. Check him out. Some of the crazy stuff he does camping wise, just, it's mad. But you know what? He inspired me to do this. So don't be one of these people that watches it and says, I wish I could do it. Get out there and do it. If you've got young children, you know, get them to come with you. You know, get them to experience it. You know, get these kids off of the electronics and get them to experience the outdoors. Why am I struggling to dip my bread into my chili and, you know, eat like, you know, you would do at home? Why not just tear the bread up and stick it in the chili? Really good. I think next time what I'll do is I'll do that and cook it at the same time. Put it in there whilst I'm warming the chili up. Much better.